I'm Judy Sandrock, and in this video, I'm taking you through MaxIQ Space's pathway to space. Many organizations approach us to assist them to put their CubeSat into orbit, as they find that the stretch is just too far for them. That is why we have come up with our pathway to space. We start by adopting this acronym C3PO from the famous Star Wars character. And this is an acronym for communication, payload, power, pointing, and operations. And this is how we map our pathway to space. With universities and technical colleges, we begin with hands-on experiments with MaxIQ kits, understanding modular electronics. All of our kits have been accredited by NASA, as well as the UN Development Program, as supporting the UN Sustainable Development Goals. It's at this point that we run our experiments as well as develop our payload. The next step is remote sensing. This is introducing distance between where we collect our data and where we analyze our data. This includes Internet of Things challenges, understanding IoT and MQTT, as well as building a tiny GS ground station. And with this, we can begin understanding satellite and ground stations and how they communicate. From here, we start gaining altitude. This will involve our 3D smart rocket project. The students will 3D print their smart rockets, and they will enable them with the X chips that they've been using through the program. They can do low altitude balloon missions to test communication and power, as well as high altitude balloon missions. And with these, with the high altitudes, we can then fully test our design in low temperatures and very low atmospheric conditions. The final stepping stone to space is our International Space Station rideshare. And here we are in orbit, and we can fully test the design in microgravity. Once the payloads are returned from the ISS by nanoracks, we expect that everybody is well on the way to designing and building their CubeSat.